Hi, good morning, yeah. Today I am going to make a jamun short. Why I am telling, if somebody is coming, guest and all, we want to little bit twist. When Jati Ratnalu, we did this one very, very nice. Then I thought I can try this one. One thing I want to tell you, yeah, in Telugu, after eating this one, we'll say Wagaru. Because I don't know in English actually, I tried also. Nobody know properly the Wagaru means what is the correct word. Now you people can tell me, then only I can do. Now very fast we'll make it this one. Come on now, no late. Now first step is you have to cut, yeah. Oh, main tip I want to tell you, when you are buying, always and make it little bit smoother. Otherwise will be bitterness. And color also, don't buy like this color. Actually this color only, jamun color only you have to buy. That is only main tip. Now you have to cut it properly, and when you're cutting you have to be little bit careful about the seed. That's all, yeah. Just grind it. After that you can see yummy, yummy, yummy. Nice one actually. Yeah, don't throw the seeds also. We can dry it, and I will tell you what is the benefit about this seeds also. So much benefits, yeah, actually. You can dry it properly, then make the powder. And for the diabetes also, everybody is drinking that. I don't know, I didn't even drink that one. But for my hair only, I use most of the time. You wanted that color hairy nowadays, everybody using. I forgot again that name also. I am like that only. So you don't want very black one, then you can use this one. No, don't use any chemicals. I'm not telling that don't use any chemicals. That is optional. Whether you want, you can. But this is only what do I say? Actually, organic one, no, homemade one. Good. That's it. Very very easy. A very easy shots. This one, like this. This is important. Don't throw all the seeds. Can dry properly, then use for your hair, your face, all that. Very good. So yeah. Yeah. Ready, steady. Yes. See the color, so beautiful actually. Wow. So good, yeah. Just I'll bring one spoon. See the color, so beautiful, no? Again you have to make the smooth paste, otherwise. Okay, now you can add all the ingredients, like that is optional whether you want, but I'm adding the brown sugar. 1, 2, and this is rock salt. Yeah. Chili powder and salt. This is salt. Yes. Now we'll grind it again. You have to make the smooth paste. That is important. Very important. This is not even going. Comedy only, yeah. Life is like that only. Always be happy and make some comedy. Otherwise, okay, come on. Yeah, the mint leaves also I forgot. Yeah, before itself you can put little, not very much, because that color will go. I'm not using any, that artificial colors. Just natural only I'm using. So that is very very important. Because I'm using very little. Ah, nice aroma, all mixing, so Very beautiful now the aroma is. Now we are going to make it. I am using half lemon squeeze. So I'm putting everything in this only. Yeah, that's it. My mouth now watering. See the consistency, the color also. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Very less. No, my pudina also like this only. What a mixie this one. Wow, extraordinary. Fantastic. Wow. Chalo. Okay, now we'll do it. Yeah, now properly you can pour it like this. Shake it like this. Yeah, just pour the soda. Yeah, I'm showing one glass first. Let me see. This is only as it is, you have to leave. Yeah, see, 1, 2, 3. Wow. Now you have to shake it little bit like this. See, the color will come nicely. Yeah, beautiful. Wow. This is my straw, yeah. This papaya straw. I always tell you, no, this only. Now we have to decoration like this. Now, see, again, if you want, you can more nicely, you can mix it like this. See the color, how beautiful it's coming. Now we'll taste. See how it will be. I added this no mint leaves also like this, you know, it will be nice for summer. Wow. Yes, now. Ah, chill pill, the summer best drink. Yeah, somebody coming, you know, something healthy and new, not new but healthy one. Actually, this is very very nice. The children will be enjoy on summers. Now you people can also try this one. Jati Ratnalu, I made it this one. Okay. See, oh my, the shots is ready.